So let's talk about Shiba Inu and what exactly is happening with it. Hopefully you're all having a fantastic day today because we're going to be looking at SHIB today. All its price rises, all its price histories, where crypto is going to be in the next following days. So if that's something you're interested in, stay subscribed on his channel. So today, SHIB has, SEC gave final warning. SHIB saw some uptrend. So there is some good news in the crypto markets, but this will impact all these cryptocurrencies. And we have a huge, SEC has really been into crypto lately. ETF applicants to submit final changes by the end of the week. And from what I understand, if you want more info on this, smash that like button. But this got about 5,000 likes in that sense. And what exactly does this mean?
First 2 weeks of January. So some saying, by next week, some are saying between the 5th and the 10th of January. It doesn't really matter, but we're probably going to see a situation where now Bitcoin is being suppressed because people are like, okay, we don't know exactly what's going to happen, right? So let's try to, send our money elsewhere, right? And try to pump up other projects. And then we'll come back to Bitcoin once we're getting closer and closer, like a week after.
So yeah, now they're focusing, like the entire market is focusing on the Christmas vibes, on the other projects that's not just Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is going to have that massive pump on the ETF spot listing. So I think a lot of people are trying to make that side money. And it is very noticeable. It is noticeable that crypto right now is not like what people predicted. They predicted much bigger crashes in that sense. And I find that fascinating, really, that there's lots of crypto projects out there, a lot of opportunities in this crypto space. And people wanted to hear that for some time. So that's where I think the real factor comes in, is when people start to talk about crypto, like crypto long term. I do think there is going to be massive opportunities in this crypto space for anyone that has been in crypto long term. That's why people keep buying, because the SEC said, hey, here's the final deadline if you want to change anything on before we basically review them. So they're still going to take time to review these spot listings, how much crypto they have, how much they want to hold. And this is with BlackRock. This is with BlackRock meeting with the SEC already. So this is going to be very official. It's not just rumors. It's confirmed now. And this is where crypto will really make the biggest changes. But let's take a look at SHIB also.
50 holders of Shiba Inu, right? This can be important when you're looking at what could potentially happen in the burning of a significant amount of the circulating supply. We also have to look at who are the holders and what is the distribution. So, of course, we have the null address, which is the burn wallet.
So the burn wallet is already 4.5 billion. I know Vitalik burned a lot of their crypto. Phew, that's a lot of money. But I guess someone holds also like $468 million. Is that normal? Holding 46, that sounds a lot, no? $46 million they're holding, by the way. Just let that sink in.
As 410 trillion. Remember, this is there's circulating supply is 589 trillion, but the max supply, which includes the wallet of null, is 1 quadrillion. And so we have here, not every single wallet is named. So we have here this second wallet, which owns about $468 million of Shiba Inu. And it's interesting. I'm very interested in this wallet. This 2A3 wallet, because I looked at it and it's continued to accumulate.
So there's one Shiba Inu whale that's gonna probably jump once like the Bitcoin ETF is listed. So this is the big factor here. Once Bitcoin ETF gets listed, I think a big whale will start offloading some of their SHIB. And I think this is a big opportunity for anyone in this crypto space. Like, that's the big thing. People are definitely excited, but what is this going to matter in the long term? Like, is this going to really make sense or no? So that's a good question I have for today. Now, there is going to be probably massive updates that I'm going to keep you guys updated on. So if this is something you're interested in, stay tuned on this channel.
$50 buy, $48 buy. This is a wallet that's worth 468 million, and yet it's buying 45 million worth $10, $5, $5, $5.
So maybe it's even a bot. So sometimes bots can buy like a small portion of crypto. I think that's what really matters. And yeah, I do think it could be potentially like someone else other than just the, like a big whale. It could be a big whale. I'm not denying that, but it could also be someone really, really small in that sense, someone we haven't met before. So what do you guys think?
Right. This is very small amounts of Shiba Inu, right? So I continued to look at it and I was like, okay, but they also buy a lot of other things. I do not think that this is a human being that is sitting down and purchasing all these stuff, right? 3 minutes ago, 8 minutes ago, 11 minutes ago, 26 minutes. Like, I don't think this is a person.
Yeah, so has a very fair point, and I think also this whale, they might set it to sell stuff. Like they might tell this whale to sell the crypto they have, and I think that's the big problem here. Like I'm worried a lot of people will stay in that sense, like they will actually tell it to go ahead and sell their crypto assets. And this is where I think the problem will arise in that sense. So that being said, does seem like this is just the big start. There's going to be lots of crypto opportunities in the next few days. So if that's something you're excited about, stay tuned on this channel. And that's something that I think I will let you guys know if the whale does anything specific. If it does any huge things. It's amazing how much people have cash on hand, especially SHIB whales are selling after 3 years and buying after 3 years. There's still profit to be made in the crypto space, especially as the bull runs are coming back. There's a ton of content on this channel. Peace, everyone.